What is up, guys? Hello from NLO SMM Panel, and in today's video we are going to explain you how you can rank YouTube videos within seconds and without any problems using our panel and the views we have on it. So we will cover everything from the video upload to the ordering of views, comments, likes, literally everything. This is a copy-paste method and it will work for you if you use a couple of secret sauces that we are about to share in this video. So first things first, you will need to prepare your video and your thumbnail, right? Now, first thing you need to do is to do the proper basic SEO, which means title, description, and tags. This is our title. So you need to use as much keywords in the title as possible in order to rank for them. So the first keyword, the main keyword you're ranking for, should be the first thing you put in the title. And in the next part of the title, you need to mention other important keywords. As you can see, this is our title for this video, and when you have a title, copy and then go and rename your file name for your video and also for your thumbnail into your title, or you can also rename it into your main keyword. It's the same, only one keyword or the full title. The second thing we are about to do is to prepare the description for the video. As you can see, we have a bunch of keywords repeating. So as you can see, get free tokens, free money, extreme car driving simulator, extreme car driving simulator hack. We are also repeating the keywords like this. We are using timestamps. They are really good and I like to use them personally. And always make sure that you leave a like on this video if this worked for you, or whatever. Just greet your viewers. Then use the tags. So as you can see, if you look closely, extreme car driving simulator hack, that's the first and the main keyword. I used it as a first part of my title. I used it in the description quite a couple of times, and all of the other keywords are right there. So those are the tags. Now let's go to YouTube and upload the video. So you have your video prepared, you have file name and thumbnail prepared. Now head over to your YouTube account and click on the upload video and go and upload your video. So now it is time that we copy everything we prepared from the title, description, and tags back to YouTube. So let's just give it a little bit of style. I always repeat the title first. So I put the title, and in the description I repeat the title, and then I add a description. Boom, there it is. Let's just put those fires in the title. Boom. Now let's simply add a thumbnail. Now it is time for the tags. Those are the keywords that we are going to rank for. Boom. As you can see, all of them are here. Video language, I always put my video language just to make YouTube easier to understand my content. So there it is. And this is what I'm doing. Right now, we're about to wait a couple of, 3 minutes while it uploads, and then I will cover everything I do from the moment I upload a video till the moment we are ranked first. So stay tuned. So as you can see, the video is uploaded, everything is ready for the publishing, and right now what we are going to do is to make it public, right? First things first, I always put a pinned comment on my video in order to engage my viewers. Let's open up this one. I always put a like on my video and I let it watch till the end. right here. I will put a pinned comment for it. You can do whatever you like. Now we are ready for ordering. So copy the link and let's go to NLOSMM.com. So once you're in the panel, first thing we want to order is CTR Views. So there it is, ranking CTR booster, CTR boost, depending on the niche you are having. Looking at our niche, it is not that competitive, so we will only start with 500 CTR views. If you're trying to rank for a higher competitive keyword, I will suggest to adjust the CTR boost views based on the niche. So you can do it like 1000 and 2000 even. Then 2000 is a maximum for the first views. So don't go over 2000 CTR views. It doesn't matter which niche you are. Start with at least 500 up to 2000. And when the CTR is finished, and it will be finished quite soon, then you'll need to order prime views. Those are the top quality views right now, coming from Facebook and Reddit as external source, and you will simply love it. So while we are waiting for our views to start, we will make a small break. It will start in like 3 to 4 minutes, and then we will come back to prepare everything else. So see you guys in a couple of minutes. So here we are back, and let's see the statistics of our video. As you can see, our CTR views are starting to kick in. We are getting a slight push before the major push. We don't want them to run so fast because it will be bad. When we go to the engagement, as you can see, crazy retention right there, almost 90%, and all of those views are coming from YouTube search, which means CTR is not yet visible. It will be visible, and it is always nearly 100%. What we're gonna do next is to head over and order some comments to our video, because comments are really important. So go to NLOSMM.com, go to comments, custom comments, boom. We'll copy the video link, boom. And now we will order. Now, what you have to do next is to order some prime views. The CTR boost views will complete in about 20 minutes. In the meantime, the prime views will start to kick in, and it will give that nice and the final and the most important boost to our video. So go to prime views. As you can see, they have high retention, over 70% for the videos for up to 30 minutes. You can also use it for the videos up to 60 minutes or up to 2 hours. So all of those views are coming from the USA and UK IP addresses, and they all come from Facebook and Reddit, 50-50%. So when it comes to deciding the amount of views you need to order, as I said, for the CTR, 2000 is maximum to order before the prime views. When it comes to prime views, if you're in a low competitive niche, you can start with like 2,000 to 3,000 views. If you're in a high competitive niche, you can go up to like 10K views. After the prime views complete, and if you're in a competitive niche, the prime views complete and the first CTR views complete. If you're not ranked as you liked, order some more CTR views. When they complete, check your rankings. If it's not working, then order some prime views and combine those two types of views until you are satisfied with your rankings, and most likely you will be from the first try. So for this niche, since it's not that competitive, I will order 3,000 views, and I'll hit that button, and it is now ordered. And what they're doing right now is that they're preparing our order for the sending of the prime views. That way we will successfully rank for our keywords in about 20 to 30 minutes. I will come back, and when I see the external views or the prime views coming in, I will order some likes. In the meantime, the comments will follow, and we will check our rankings in about 30 minutes, and we will see how this all worked out. So see you guys in a couple of minutes. Okay, so we are back on our dashboard, and as you can see in the real-time analytics, we are getting a spike of both prime and CTR views. As you can see, YouTube search spiked and fulfilled all 500 views. Also, the external views coming from, as you can see, the retention is exactly the same. Awesome retention, above 90% retention. Reach is crazy, as you can see right now. There it is. Impression or CTR is 95%, which is lovely. As you can see, all the YouTube search views are coming for exactly our main keyword, and this is the true power of our CTR boost views from NLOSMM.com. So right here, what we are going to do next is to basically order likes, right? So next thing is to order likes to give it a little boost. So we go with likes. I always go with the fast likes. We'll order like 100 of them. I always keep it like 10% of the views should be the number of the likes. Also, what I like to do is to order shares. So let's go to shares. Those ones are great. I will order like 500 of them, and boom. Okay, sorry. For the shares, the quantity is minimum 1000 shares. I haven't seen 1000 shares. Boom. You can see all those shares analytics into your analytics, but after like 72 hours. And that's how YouTube works. So right now, what we need to do is to basically wait for the views to complete, for the likes to come, for the comments to come, and you will see all your keywords ranking first. As you can see, likes are coming, comments are coming, everything is fast. If you look at the clock, we've done this under like 30 minutes, everything under 30 minutes. We got likes, comments, CTR boost views, prime views, everything is in there, and we can right now check our ranks. Also, you can use vidIQ or YouTube rank. No, it is youtuberank.net. There it is. Enter video, and now we are going to enter our keyword and see are we ranked or not. So let's add free tokens, and boom, as you can see guys, we are ranked on the first page, position first, rank is first, everything. As you can see, not that much competitive niche is ranked on the first place after only 30 minutes, and not all of our views are there, not all of our comments are there, and not all of our likes are there. And that's the power of using NLOSMM.com to rank your videos. So head over to NLO SMM, order and test out our brand new CTR boost views that you can use to rank on any niche within minutes. As you saw, this is everything. We haven't touched or provided any false information. As you can see, it is ranked first. You can check it yourself from your PC. It will be ranked first for the next couple of days for sure. If we want to keep the ranks, order CTR views every now and then, in a couple of days, or order some prime views in like 5 days, and your video will stay ranked for a long period of time. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you check our NLOSMM.com panel. Enjoy your ranking, and if you have any problems, do not forget to open up a ticket, and we will be glad to help you guys out. See you guys in some other NLO SMM tutorial. Goodbye.